Bay Windows Sumter SC are a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living space with elegance and functionality. These windows not only add aesthetic appeal, but also provide additional seating or storage space. Custom Windows Sumter offers a variety of options to suit your specific needs, ensuring that your home in Sumter, South Carolina stands out with style and sophistication. Window installation. Sumter is a crucial service for those looking to upgrade their homes with new windows. Professional installation ensures that your windows are fitted correctly, providing maximum energy efficiency and security. Energy-efficient Windows Sumter are designed to reduce energy costs by maintaining optimal indoor temperatures, making them a smart investment for any homeowner in Sumter SC. Window replacement Sumter is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Whether you're dealing with damaged windows or simply want to update your home's look, replacing old Bay Windows Sumter with new, high-quality options can significantly enhance your property's value. Double-hung Windows Sumter and casement. Windows Sumter are popular choices for their versatility and ease of use. Picture windows, Sumter and Bow Windows Sumter are excellent options for those looking to maximize natural light and enjoy unobstructed views. These window styles are perfect for living rooms or any area where you want to create a bright, open atmosphere. Window replacement Sumter services are available to address any issues with your existing windows, ensuring they function properly and look their best. Vinyl windows. Sumter and wood Windows Sumter offer different benefits depending on your preferences and needs. Vinyl windows are known for their durability and low maintenance, while wood windows provide a classic, timeless look. Aluminum Windows Sumter are another option, offering strength and a sleek, modern appearance. Window design. Sumter services can help you choose the perfect windows for your home, taking into account factors such as style, functionality, and energy efficiency. A window consultation. Sumter can provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your specific requirements. Window measurement Sumter ensures that your new windows fit perfectly, avoiding any potential issues with installation. Window styles Sumter offers a wide range of options to suit any home design, from traditional to contemporary. Window frames. Sumter are available in various materials and finishes, allowing you to customize the look of your windows to match your home's aesthetic. Window glass Sumter options include energy-efficient and impact-resistant varieties, providing both safety and savings. Window screens. Sumter are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air to circulate through your home. Window hardware. Sumter includes locks, handles, and other components that ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. Window treatments. Sumter, such as blinds and curtains, add the finishing touch to your windows, enhancing privacy and style. Window tinting. Sumter is an excellent way to reduce glare and protect your home's interior from harmful UV rays. This service can also improve energy efficiency by keeping your home cooler in the summer months. Window cleaning. Sumter ensures that your windows remain clear and free of dirt and grime, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your Bay Windows Sumter.